Welcome back to Now Go See It. I'm Tony. Today we're checking into the Hilton London Heathrow Airport at Heathrow Terminal 4 because the easiest way to make a morning flight or a next day cruise connection is to keep the logistics simple. We stayed here prior to a cruise departing from Southampton, then we headed to the cruise terminal the next morning. Skipping a trek into central London for a single night saved time, money, and energy. Quick favor before we begin. Tap like and hit subscribe. It lets the algorithm know we're providing useful content and gets it in front of more people. That helps our channel grow. We booked our stay using points earned on our Hilton branded American Express card. Scan this QR code or click the link in the description for a free guide to using travel credit cards to earn free travel. The Hilton American Express gave us other perks too, like lounge access and free breakfast. The headline here is location. The Hilton connects to Terminal 4 by a covered walkway. It's a flat, covered, 7-minute walk with a rolling bag. You never touch the weather. Just follow the numerous signs pointing toward hotels. If you're flying into Terminal 4, you're already in good shape. If your flight uses Terminal 2, Terminal 3, or Terminal 5, transfers are straightforward and you can pick the method that best suits your energy level. The easiest way to get between terminals, if you prefer one move with no platforms, use the Hotel Hoppa. The Hoppa, or HHL, runs between the terminals and the Hilton Hotel. It's a paid service, but it's easy, luggage-friendly, and it drops you close to the hotel doors. A win after a long travel day. If you're looking to save money and are comfortable on subway-style trains, you can ride the train to Terminal 4 from any arrival terminal, then walk the aforementioned covered connector from the Terminal 4 station straight to the hotel. Check-in begins at 3 p.m. and check-out is at noon. Digital key works here, so if the Hilton app behaves, you can skip the desk and head straight to the elevators, or lifts if you're looking to blend in with the local language. Wi-Fi is quick enough to stream and the TVs play nicely with Google Casting, which is perfect when your body clock thinks it's lunchtime and London thinks it's midnight. The lobby is laid out with big open spaces and lots of seating. It has easy bag storage if you're early. There's also an ATM in the lobby if you need to grab some local currency. Rooms are built for sleep. Doors are heavy, soundproofing is solid, and the blackout curtains do their job. Standard queen and king rooms don't feel cramped. You get a proper desk with reachable outlets, a tea and coffee kit that doesn't require decoding, a safe, an iron, and a wardrobe that fits 2 carry-ons upright. Bathrooms have walk-in rain showers with strong water pressure and pump bottles. If you want a bit more breathing room, book a deluxe, which usually adds space along with robes and bottled water. Families can request confirmed connecting rooms when available. The fitness center checks the boxes with treadmills, bikes, and free weights. Dining operates under one name, Oxbow. Breakfast happens in Oxbow Kitchen on the ground floor where large windows look out into the interior garden. Expect hot items, fruit, pastries, cereals, and coffee. Early flyers take note. Breakfast starts as early as 5:30 on many days, though it's worth confirming at check-in for your specific date. We only ate breakfast on this visit and it was good. We did not have dinner here, so we can't speak to the evening menu quality firsthand. If you need something quick, Oxbow Cafe near the lobby handles grab and go, while Oxbow Bar covers casual bites and drinks. Room service runs around the clock for the jet-lagged. A quick pricing reality check so you're not surprised. This is an airport property, so food and drink are priced like an airport property. In the UK, taxes, labeled VAT, are usually included in the printed menu prices, and you may see a discretionary service charge added at the end. If service does not meet your experience, you can ask for that to be removed. If you're watching the budget, do breakfast here for convenience, eat lunch wherever you land, and pick dinner based on how you feel. Sit down at Oxbow if you want a proper meal, or use the cafe or room service if your brain is logged off. Airport food is surprisingly affordable. If you're looking for cheaper options, return to Terminal 4 where you'll find a few solid options outside of security. If you're flying into Heathrow and cruising the next day, this plan works beautifully. Staying by Terminal 4 made the handoff to the port painless. From the Hilton, walk the covered connector back to Terminal 4 and ride the free inter-terminal train to Heathrow Central for the coach station. National Express coaches run direct to Southampton coach station and to Portsmouth throughout the day. Your large bag rides underneath, you ride in a single seat, and when you arrive it's a short taxi to the cruise terminal, roughly 10 to 15 minutes in Southampton and 5 to 10 in Portsmouth. If you prefer trains, ride from Terminal 4 to Central, take the Elizabeth line to Paddington, then hop the tube to Waterloo for the South Western Railway. Trains from Waterloo to Southampton Central and Portsmouth Harbour are fast and frequent. If luggage and jet lag are winning, the National Express buses require the least thinking. If speed is the goal and one tube change is fine, the train via Waterloo is the quickest. Either way, staying at Terminal 4 keeps the morning clean and you're not burning time detouring into the city for a single night. If you're not cruising and are here to explore the city from the hotel, getting into central London from the hotel is straightforward. Walk the connector to the Terminal 4 station and board the Elizabeth line to Paddington. Expect roughly 30 to 35 minutes. When the Elizabeth line is having a day, the Piccadilly line is slower but a reliable backup. Heathrow Express is the fastest from Heathrow Central, but once you factor in the transfer from Terminal 4 and the fare, the Elizabeth line usually wins on value in reducing staircases and platform changes. Who should book this hotel? Anyone with an early flight or late arrival at Terminal 4, and anyone planning a cruise the next day who wants a low-effort, hands-off transfer to Southampton or Portsmouth. If you're visiting Windsor Castle or Legoland Windsor from the hotel, you're about 12 miles away, which makes this a sensible base for a morning car pickup. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. Check out the link below or this QR code for our free travel credit cards guide, including the Hilton American Express that unlock lounge access here and let us pay for the stay in points. For info on what to do during your time in London, head to nowgoseeit.com. Now go see Hilton London Heathrow Airport, Terminal 4.